So this art set comes with graphite pencils, charcoal sticks, a sandpaper block, and so much more. Let me take a quick second to thank my sponsors for sending me this art set so I can show it to you. So let's get this unboxed. So it comes with a nice carrying case here. It's got some durable zippers and a convenient carrying strap right here with a nice hard shell. And it also comes with a sketch pad here that has 16 sheets of 5.7 inches by 7.9. It also comes with weekly drawing tutorials and ebooks and things like that you can find online. It comes with 13 graphite pencils. These give you control over depth and tone, and they range from hard to soft graphite, and they create dark to light tones respectively. You get 3 charcoal pencils. Those are great for adding texture and even deeper contrast. They also range from soft to hard. And the biggest difference between the graphite and the charcoal pencils is that the graphite produces a more metallic and shiny effect, while the charcoal pencil's effect is more matte and bold. You get 3 charcoal sticks, also ranging from soft to hard. They add dark tones and more drama, and they have versatile output through pressure control and angular deviation, giving you more control in how your drawings look. There are 3 graphite sticks. They're a lot like a graphite pencil, but you get bolder strokes with them. They're great for adding even more dimension to your sketches. You're going to get 1 mechanical pencil, and this is perfect for the finer details and elements in your drawings. With that, you also get 30 pieces of extra lead for your mechanical pencil. Here's the sandpaper block. This is for manually sharpening and shaping graphite sticks. It gives precise control over graphite stick angles. Here's the acrylic triangular prism ruler. It aids in creating lines and measuring proportions. You get blending stumps. These smudge and blend graphite and charcoal. They definitely help to soften edges and make things look a bit more realistic. This is a kneaded eraser. It comes in this box to keep it safe and clean, but it's useful for precisely removing graphite and charcoal. It keeps the paper clean while erasing, and it's also useful in creating highlights. Now this can be cleaned with the sandpaper block just to remove the pigment. And here's a plastic eraser. This is better for correcting minor mistakes in your sketches. There are 2 pencil sharpeners, one with 2 holes and the other with 1. And here's a pencil extender, which is used to connect pencils which are shortened down to a very short length. So there's everything that comes with this art set. If you liked this video, please hit that thumbs up button.